Hi guys, trust you are doing well. I just want to show you what I got. This is children's lunchbox. You can as well use it for an adult. I got it for myself anyway. So I have to open it from the side. So here comes up, and here unclip it, and the two sides here as well. There you have it. Like just to show you this, it has a stainless steel finishing inside, meaning that it's going to keep your food warm till when you're ready to eat it. I got this for myself to take to the office, and the size is quite good. It can contain a very good amount of food. The lid, just both sides, clip it down, then the other side all clip down, and it's all secured. I highly recommend. Thank you.